Ouch. That, can you see it? Does not belong there. Ooey, ooey, ow. I don't know whose dumb idea this was to go do a bunch of shotgun slugs, especially the big ones. Welcome back to the Reacharounds. I'm Brian. We're back out here at Yemassee, South Carolina, Maltese Arms Shooting Club, RSO. That's Shaun. Say hi, Shaun. Hi, Shaun. Thank you so much for checking back with me. I forgot to show you guys. Last video, you got to see this side of the break action Rock Island. Okay, the RIA, the Rock Island. Okay, 3-inch, and it, oh, look, a professor tested it. So it must work. And it actually had turkey. I am kind of hungry. So for this one, I had a bunch of cheese balls that went stale. And I thought, might as well send them out. Let's see what happens when cheese balls filled in a water container, slapped by 505 grains, 2,600 foot-pounds, a ballistic machinist's barbells, dumbbells do. Oh. Shoulder's getting a little sore. Oh wow. Can y'all see that? I have one monster frog right there. No wonder why my arm is sore. All right. Must be time for a diaper. Okay. You know how they say that'll leave a mark? I haven't even headed home yet, and I already have the mark. Pretty wicked knot. Ouch. That hurt, but that was freaking cool. I got cheese balled. Cheese balls here. Oh yeah. Broke the table from getting shoved down. And there's our container. Those things are very, very impressive. By the way, so's the recoil. Oh, yeah, look, see, even the wad goes through. Okay. All right, so I was gonna pack it up, but here's the deal. I have one more target, but this time we're gonna change projectiles. Still a ballistic machinist creation. This one's called the 357 Defender. Well, what in the world is that? It's a hollow point 12 gauge with a hollow point 357 in the middle. So when the hollow points, when the shotgun opens, it releases the 357 to keep going for even more penetration. And yeah, hopefully another really good reaction down there. And I'm gonna put my diaper back on and run this one real quick because I'm having fifth thoughts about this. All right, I got my diaper. I don't know where this thing's gonna fly. Do I hold in the middle? Do I just let it run, I guess? Oops, slow motion. Okay. Now I believe I got everything ready. Except the shoulder. Okay, that tells me I probably missed because my shoulder's freaking killing me. Let's go see what we got. I mean, ooh, I see stuff. Oh, I did. I hit it. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Soggy balls. Cheese balls. Here, I wonder if it, yep, it went right on out. Right there, see. Well, really makes you wonder how much water, how big of a trap would you have to try to catch the 12 gauge and the 357 hollow points to get them together. I need a tank. Not that kind of tank, a big water tank. Thanks again, guys. Take care. It's a good thing I'm done with this. My arm, see if it'll show it again. That's not my powerful muscle. That is soft tissue injury. Please, please, please share our video. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. You don't have to hit the bell that's down there, but if you'd like to, that's cool. Stick a thumbs up, stick a thumbs down, throw a comment down there, tell us what you're thinking. If you want me to rip some more tissue, by all means, let me know. If you got any cool ideas for some projectiles, targets, let me know. We greatly appreciate it when you visit. Thank you so much for visiting the Reacharounds and watching the destruction of a doorknob. Not quite where I wanted to hit it. It was a little bit low, but nonetheless, it still pushed it back. And some lottery tickets and cheese balls. Thank you guys. Take care.